Hello everyone and welcome to another FXCentrum trade idea for the day. For today I decided to cover WTI, so we have a crude oil market here, and this is the 2-hour time frame. What we can see here is the potential for the further upside movement from my perspective, as we have bullish buy trade idea on WTI. So I'll just go through the reasons behind this bullish trade idea. So we had from the background a supply trend line that held basically for a couple of weeks. But most recently, in the last 4 to 5 days, we had a strong reaction of the low at this point. So let me just show you this. So you can see that market actually tried to sell off stronger at this point, but we got a strong back up and more like a U-turn that held pretty well. If you remember, if you follow our FXCentrum TV, we had a nice trade buy idea here and here that played pretty well. But now this is a new trade idea after this pullback here. You can see that RSI held around the 50 mark, and it seems like it's ready to go higher. So we actually kind of shifted the bearish trend environment, at this point to the bullish trend environment from my perspective, short term. And 105.30 will be the first upside objective, probably main upside objective around 109.40 mark, which will be about 3 times bigger reward versus initial risk. So 3 times bigger reward versus initial risk. So you can see here, if I click, it's almost like a 3 times. If we go all the way higher, around the 117, 118 mark, and that will be actually quite a big reward, about 4.8 times or 5 times. So there's a plenty potential reward here with this development, and obviously I would not like to see the market to take the low again around 95.40. This will be a protective stop, because then it can mean more like a sideways or so, or even more further downside. So we want to avoid that and eventually cut this idea if this will happen. So this will be a short-term WTI. We have lots of interest for the commodity and WTI based on what is happening in the Middle East and so there is plenty of volatility around. It's a great time to start with the prop firm challenges. You can check more about it in the link in the description of the video. You will see that we offer a variety of different challenges, and you can use this promo code to have a 20% off. Also, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Leave the comments below. We will really appreciate that. And stay tuned for more videos. Take care.